After reading the manufacturing process of Japanese air conditioners, I finally understand why air conditioners can be called the invention of automobiles in human history. Only an inconspicuous plastic component need to consider the problem of airflow guidance after air conditioning compression and condensation expansion. Today, we walk into the DAIKIN factory in Japan to see why rich people choose DAIKIN air conditioners on the market. Let's reveal all the mysteries of air conditioners together. First of all, the ABS plastic air conditioner shell. The material characteristics of BS plastic can withstand the temperature test of -40 degrees to -90 degrees. If it is merged with 15% glass fiberglass, it can also greatly enhance its impact resistance. DAIKIN designed the fan blades into the same shape of an airplane wings. This design plays a good deflection effect. When cooling, the cold air sinks to the top of the roof, so as to achieve wind it will enter the second step of making a cold exchanger copper pipe. In front of us is a zero-deoxy copper alloy covered by nano coating. The inner wall adopts a graphene plus boron nitride composite layer, which effectively improves the flow rate of cold air. The outer wall adopts a fluorocarbon resin hydrophobic layer to reduce the risk of condensation staying on the inner wall. The whole copper pipe is 7 mm in diameter and about 0.5 mm thick. And the bending process is very particular. There can't be any bending and creases. Only a qualified copper tube can penetrate into the fin. The air conditioner fin is an important part of the heat switch. It is usually made of aluminum foil and other materials. The thin-shaped structure can greatly increase the contact area between the air conditioner, and the heat can be transmitted more effectively between the air conditioning system and the outside air. Slowly. Skilled assemblers, 70% of workforce, with average 20-year experience complete final assembly. Engineers earn over 5 million yen annually. This combination of expertise, stringent quality standards, and competitive compensation explains DAIKIN's global market dominance. So, which air conditioner brand deserves the top spot in your opinion?